السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معاكم تيتشر عبير فودة من قناة جعلوني مدرس. بحب اشكركم جدا 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 على دعمكم ليا على قناة اليوتيوب، سواء كان سبسكرايبز ولايكات حلوة زيكم كتير جدا، وغير تفاعلاتكم اللي موجودة على رسائل صفحة الفيسبوك. فده كانت حاجة بجد بتفرحني جدا، ان انا حتى لو لسه بادئه القناه بس حاسه ان في تفاعل متابعه معايا على الفيديوهات وعلى البيج وعلى سواء الجروب الفيسبوك. فده كانت حاجه تسعدني وتفرحني وتبسطني. لو انت اول مره تتفرجي على فيديوهاتي، انا تيتشر عبير فوده من قناه جعلوني مدرس، ويا ريت تنزلي بسرعه تعملي سبسكرايب عشان خاطر تشتركي معايا في القناه وتفعلي زر الجرس على اول او ان هو تخليه لونه جراي عشان خاطر يوصلك كل فيديو جديد انا بنزله على قناه اليوتيوب. هتلاقي كل اللينكس بتاعه الاكونتس بتاعتي كلها، سواء البيج، الجروب بتاع الفيسبوك او الانستجرام، كل دوت هتلاقيه موجود تحت في الديسكريبشن. يا ريت تتابعوني وتنضموا معايا للعائله الصغيره الجميله بتاعتي. وكمان لو الفيديو كمان عجبك يا ريت تعملي لي لايك، لان بجد دوت بيعمل لي دعم قوي جدا 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 ان انا استمر واكمل سلسله الفيديوهات. وتعملي شير لكل حد محتاج الفيديوز اللي زي ديت عشان الدايره على الخير كفاعله. ويلا بينا نبتدي الفيديو. How are you today? You are fine. Today we have a new friend. You know my friend today? My friend today is letter A. Say hello, letter A. Letter A, it has two sounds. So letter A is a vowel, not consonant. It's a vowel, so it has two sounds, one long and one short. You remember the vowel song? Okay, let's sing song together. Five vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. They have two sounds, One is long and one is short. But today we talk about for the short sound. What is the sound of letter A? But what is the short sound of letter A? The short sound of letter A, This is a sound of letter A. Or there's a short sound of letter A. What is the action of letter A? Do action with me like this. So this is capital letter A, and this is small letter A, or uppercase, lowercase a. Letter A, it has many friends. The first one is, ta-da! It's an apple. It's an apple. Apple. So apple friend with letter A. A for apple. It's insect. Ant. 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 So A for ant. A for apple. A for ant. This is ambulance. It's an ambulance. So A for ambulance. Ambulance. A for apple. A for ant. A for ambulance. What is this? It's an alligator. What is this? It's an alligator. 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 It's alligator. Alligator. So A for alligator. What is this? It's an X. X. A for X. A for X. X. What is this? It's arrow. arrow. This part in my body is arm. Arm. One arm, two arms. Do action with me. Arms. Okay, what is the phrase with letter A? A for apple. A for apple. A for ant. A for ambulance. A for alligator. A for X. A for arrow. I now we play together. I do action and tell me what this word and what this friend. What is this? Yeah. And what is this? Yeah. An apple. What is this? Super alligator. Wee-wah, 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 wee-wah. What is this? Super. It's an ambulance. And what is this? Oh my God. Super. And X. What is this? Super. It's arrow. One arm, two arms. But what is the direction with letter A? How many lines do we have? We have 4 lines. Line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, and line number 4. Capital letter A. It's yum, 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 hungry. So eat it 3 lines. So star, big dot, on line number 1. So letter A, capital letter A, it's hungry. So eat it 3 lines. Line number 1. Make a slide down. Touch line number 3. Slide down. Touch line number 3 like this and stop. And another slide down. Touch line number 3 and sleepy line under line number 2. This is a capital letter A. The small letter A, it's a baby. So eat it 2 lines. Yum, 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 yum. So start big dot on line number 2. So that's a small letter A. Make a round, touch line number 3. Start big dot on line number 2. So start big dot on line number 2 and make a round, touch line number 3 and dash like this, a small tail like this. Okay, this is a small letter A. Small letter A. Capital or uppercase A. Here, small letter A. Capital and small. Uppercase, lower case. Sound of letter A is A. The action with letter A. The sound and the action together for letter A, 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 A. The direction for letter A, the capital letter A, start big dot on line number 1, slide line down from 1 to number 3, another slide line or line number 1 to line number 3, and sleepy line under line number 2. Small letter A, it's baby. So start big dot line number 2. Okay, and make a round and touch line number 3 and a line down and small tail from line number 2 to line number 3. And thank you for watching, my friend. But please click the subscribe and make a like for me for this video and a share. thank you and see you again. Bye. I love you.